Ethiopia has for some years been considered a promising country for the future of apparel manufacture. However, the competition for low prices can create a race to the bottom, with workers facing difficult circumstances and low wages, all while the environment is degraded by cheap manufacturing and farming practices. With funding from the European Union and co-funding of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, a coalition of Solidaridad, the Danish Ethnical Trading Initiative, and MVO Netherlands designed a bottom-up program to turn the tide. The bottom-up inventions take place throughout the whole supply chain, starting with the production of cotton.
We are supporting cotton farm with the help of technical support as well as training. We are enabling them to produce a sustainable cotton for the textile factories like MNS and others.
An increase in the production of cotton in Ethiopia is of vital importance for the factories, as importing resources is currently expensive and takes time. The production of textiles can be very harmful to the environment due to its typically excessive use of water, chemicals, and energy. By training factory management and staff, Solidaridad creates awareness about cleaner production methods.
During our survey, we have assessed that there is a gap, knowledge gap, awareness on these regards, especially on the environmental aspect, as well as on the social aspect and gender. Once trained or once these persons are capacitated with this, or equipped with this knowledge, then they will create such awareness to the workers' factory. Then later on we will have supervision, technical assistance. We'll have on the factory level at their premises. There is a checklist that we have provided them how to assess their factory based on these modules. So based on that checklist, they will assess their gaps. Then they will come out with some action plan. So we will support them how to address their gaps. So they are going to convert this knowledge into practically by assessing their current gaps on their factory.
Like this motor, we have big motor. In order to rewind for this one, it is very cost. In cost-wise, if you see, very difficult. So we use inverter. Inverter means variable frequency drive. By adjusting what we need, we can adjust. But before, star delta means in-rush current, unlimited current put here after damage. If it is damaged, as I have told you, we cannot rewind. Machine can stop 1 month, 2 months. Yeah. So after we got education from Solidaridad, we use this VFD. After VFD, we minimize cost, downtime also we decrease, not like before.
መጀመሪያ ፈርነስ ነበር ፈርነስ ደግሞ ሞር ኮስቲ ነው ውጤታማ ሊያረግን ስለማይችል ይሄኛው ስቲም ነው በኤሌክትሪክ ነው ስቲማችን የምናገኘው ማለት ውሃ መጠቃቀም ማሽናችን ነው የሚወስነው ማሽናችን ይሄ ሞደርን ማሽን ነው ሞደርን ማሽኖች አሉ
Sustainability also means caring for the people. The textile industry deals with persistent problems such as low payments and bad working conditions. Solidaridad addresses these challenges with a special focus on gender.
ያው በስራ ላይ የሚያስቸግሩን ነገሮች ያው ሴት እንደመሆን ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ከቤት ወጥቶ መምጣት ለምሳሌ አሁን የደሞዙ ማነስ መጀመሪያ ስንቀጠር በትንሽ ብር ነበር 1200 ብር ነበር ደሞዛችን ከዛ ያው ያደግን የቀጠልኩ ምናምን ሲሄድ እየተሻሻለ መጣ በቃ ቻሌንጁ ያ ነበር ስለ ሊደርሺፕ በጣም ደስ በሚል መልኩ 7 ቀን ጥሩ ስልጠና ወስደናልና ሊደርሺፕ ከራስ እንደሚጀምር እና እንዴት ሊድ ማድረግ እንዳለብን እኔ አሁን ሊደር ነኝ ለልጆቼን እኔ ነኝ ማኔጅ ማደርገውና ሊደርሺፕ ማለት ምን ማለት እንደሆነ ብዙ ተምሬያለሁ በብዙ ምሳሌ ማለት ነው ሴቶች በጣም መማር አለባቸው ምክንያቱም ብዙን ካለማችን ላይ እንደው ብዙን ድርሻ ኃላፊነት የሚይዙ ሴቶች ናቸው
Although there are many challenges, the Ethiopian garment industry also offers interesting investment opportunities with European companies. The bottom-up project connects Ethiopian factories with possible buyers so that European customers will be able to purchase clothes and textiles that have been produced sustainably in Ethiopia, from cotton seed to finishing touch.